back at you with another video. So I wanted to talk to you guys about motorcycle envy. Now, first off, this video, I had issues with my microphone or my headset, so I had to do a voiceover. Bear with me. So back to motorcycle envy. Motorcycle envy is a situation that we have been seeing a lot of lately, especially since, people have lost their jobs and whatnot. You have people that are envious of motorcycle riders, for those in particular that like certain high-end type of motorcycles, whether it be Harley-Davidson, Indian, or whatever it may be. You have been seeing an influx of people acting out towards, particular bikers that just may be particularly envious of. So I'm gonna chime in and allow the video to play out from here. And I did salvage some of the video or the sound. So here we go.
You like their lane may be clear like this to the right of me, and they'll just cut you off and get in front of you just because there's space. I've seen that happen quite a few times, and a lot of times it's just guys that that can't afford let's say particularly in my case, a Harley-Davidson. Now Harley-Davidson being one of the top tier brands, yes, they are expensive, and no, everybody can't afford one. Now for those who don't know me, I was a motorcycle salesman, for quite some time, and sold Harley-Davidsons, and I've seen a lot of turn downs. And you do have those guys that are envious of others that can't afford the motorcycle. They come into the dealership and kind of walk around, and just look at bikes all day but never purchase. And I think maybe if some of them probably could rent, they would, which I do have a solution for that. But let's say for those that, that are envious, that kind of act out towards others that ride, normally in a sense of road rage or look for a reason to get into it with a biker. And, you need to stop that shit. It's not cool. My solution to that, man, just get your credit together. And I've seen people that come in now with 400 credit scores, 500s, even 6s. And of course, you need to be at least at a 650 to get a Harley, and even a higher, more like closer to a 700 to get like a Honda or something like that, because they have different credit restrictions. And they normally don't really, finance people with mediocre tier 2 or tier 3 credit. Maybe tier 2 if it's a high tier 2, but then you'd have to come up with a big down payment. And a lot of people don't know that. So, said that to say this: get your credit together, get back out there, and ride and enjoy, but still support your fellow bikers. If you got biker, if you're a biker at heart, don't show hate, don't show envy to the next biker. He just happened to be the guy that did what he was supposed to do with his credit. If you fell on hard times, okay, get your credit back up to par. Just that simple. And even though I don't sell motorcycles anymore, which I probably wouldn't mind, it was okay. Wasn't enough money in it for me, but it's cool. But for those that are looking to kind of get out there and just get your credit score, and this is for those that, like I said, that are into Harleys but can't really afford it, get yourself up to at least a 650, at least. And anyway, so today, me and a buddy of mine are actually rolling to get some parts, and I'm about to meet him up here at this Shell station. Some of you that have been watching the channel, you have met Marcus, and Marcus is one of my older riding buddies that I enjoy riding with. He's a laid back dude. So I just want to say, if you think about it, just get out there, get your credit up to par. I'll turn my cruise control off. Yeah, get everything back up to par and get rolling again. Like, it's okay. Whether you had bad credit or not, it can be repaired. And if you need help, getting your credit repaired, hey, I know a guy. You always got somebody that know a guy, right? And another option, in the meantime, if you don't want that nice Harley note or whatever other note for that matter, try a Twisted Road. It's an app, but also I think you have to sign up on the actual website, Twisted Road. And it is a peer-to-peer sharing program, kind of like Turo and all these car sharing programs. Yeah, jump on that, man, and see what you can do. You know, a lot of people, they do have Harleys on there. Oh, I just passed it. They do have Harleys on there, and you can rent them out. Of course, you got to take care of the next man's Harley. I hope I can go back this way. You got to take care of the next man's Harley. Actually, I thought about renting my bike out. And if you seen my bike, yeah, people are like, yeah, what are you, crazy? No, I'm just optimistic. Put it like that. I don't cherish a lot of material things, and I do like my bike. I don't love any materialistic thing, but I do like my bike. I would like to keep it intact, but if I cannot, then that's what the insurance is for. And they Twisted Road do cover, I think, up to $25,000. And of course, you know, my bike is a 17. It's probably worth about 20, 20 plus maybe, give or take. There's Marcus right there. So yeah, just something, you know, think about. And I'll probably be doing that soon. I just want to get a few things fixed up on the bike before I actually rent it out. Do have a couple of options that I'm working on. But yeah, be sure to check me out when I do. And I will notify you guys when I put the bike on Twisted Road so you can rent my bike out. And of course, you know, don't go deal no drugs and, and sell, you know, sell whatever on my bike. It will be tracked just like most people will. So, what's up, dude? I have no idea. Oh, he's working. Yeah. I don't know. I gave him a call. He didn't answer. Probably got honeydews. Yeah. But anyway, so I'm gonna end this video right here, and I'll catch back up. So let me know what you guys think about renting my bike on Turo, and also on my next video, be sure to check out. You didn't see that, did you? That nice tour pack. I'm gonna give you a review on the tour pack, and tell me what you guys think. But stay tuned for that. Down South Don, I'm out.